the earliest days, this law school was envisaged around a clinic, a practical experience for our students to engage with the profession and with the community. The John Curtin Law Clinic is a wonderful manifestation of that, and we're delighted to see it come to fruition as a key part of our strategy to engage with the community, but primarily as an educational experience for our students.
The vision of Curtin Law School was to establish a law clinic for small business, to provide them with access to justice, because many small business people do not have access to justice. They certainly don't have the funds to afford expensive legal representation, and the role that we can play is to assist those people in providing that access.
My wife and I run a day spa in South Perth, and at the end of our lease we had a dispute with the landlord about the wording of the lease. It was a bit beyond our capacity to understand that. We got in touch with the Small Business Development Corporation, and they advised us to get in touch with the John Curtin Law Clinic.
In my opinion, the best thing about the Law Clinic is exposure to real people, real problems, real factual scenarios, and real livelihoods at stake, which kind of gets you invested in it in a way that an academic problem that you've been assigned just doesn't. There's not that same connect and want to help.
You actually get to take the notes yourself, you get to meet the client and provide the advice that you need, and it's really rewarding when you see that.
At the John Curtin Law Clinic, we're very fortunate to have the support of the members of the legal profession and also key industry bodies, such as the Small Business Development Corporation and the State Administrative Tribunal.
The John Curtin Law Clinic just gives us that opportunity to experience things that we haven't experienced during our study. It's something that you can't really put study into real world practice without doing the experience itself, so that gives us that experience, and in a safe space where it's supervised, where we can ask a lot of questions.
I remember the first client that everyone had, we were very nervous, unsure of what to say, what questions to ask, how to actually conduct the interview. But with every client that we've been having, we're all getting so much better at interviewing.
The staff at Curtin Law Clinic have been a tremendous help to us students, as they've simulated a real-life law firm, even though the legal clinic is free of charge.
The skills that I've really worked on here in the clinic is being client interviewing, drafting up legal documents, and also sort of the practical realities of a law firm, such as time recording and document management.
As I anticipated, being fourth year law students, the quality of the service and the professionalism was really second to none.
Choosing to study and take the unit in the John Curtin Law Clinic has been the best decision that I've made in my law studies. It's going to be an asset for the future.